Mataram! Vande Mataram! 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 Jai! Jai! हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं! हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं! राहुल गांधी कहाँ है?
Another thing is that we are following our constitution. Okay, now India is changing. For me, India is changing. Yesteryears, like 5 years before, 6 years before, we had only participatory democracy. Vote and keep your mouth shut. The government will do anything. Now the substantive democracy is coming on the screen. He is a result of this substantive democracy, and I do have belief that he will succeed. And he will achieve his goals. I have firm belief. Look at the mass. Every time 5,000 are coming, 5,000 are going. And after sunset, it will be increased more and more, more and more. So it's the country of Gandhi, man. It's the country of Gandhi.
ऐसा एक समय आना है कि देश के कोई भी जेल में अभी जगह नहीं है। इतनी गिरफ्तारी लेनी पड़ेगी ये आज़ादी की दूसरी लड़ाई में। लेकिन फिर से मैं आप सबको विनती करूंगा कि आंदोलन में कोई भी हिंसा ना हो। ये आंदोलन अहिंसा के मार्ग से चलते रहे। कोई भी राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति है उसका नुकसान ना हो, या किसी इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति की संपत्ति है उसकी हानि ना हो।
What he is doing is that he is saying, stay in government's law, protest peacefully. We are not doing anything bad.
Yeah.
We are not doing any kind of violent activities. We are not jamming the roads. We are not destroying the buses. We are not destroying the government facilities. We are just coming and just protesting, just giving our views. This is freedom of speech and expression. This is soul of democracy. If we say that India is the largest democracy in the world, then please, man, make it.
What if the people continue their protests and fasting and nothing happens? What will you do?
We are optimistic. Nothing. It's not.
What makes you so sure?
Government has to relent when the people, the voters of them, will be drawn away from them. The government has to relent. We are now moving from participatory democracy to substantive democracy.
This is the main
Today,
line. This is happening.
it's like an open hearing. If you just view it as a constitutional thing, it's like an open hearing. People are out there, they're discussing
Have you
the
been in
general
that
policy. Earlier, not even a single law in this country, neither I think so in out the world, that has been discussed is such a level. But today, it's a substantive democracy, and I'm damn sure that if people are out on the streets, government has to relent.
Earlier people. First thing, from past 40 years, he is doing social service activity. He is doing for social welfare. From past 40 years. So people at home believe. There is a word called.
Do you know him? How old are you?
I'm just 19.
Since how long and you know him?
I think past in April I came to know
April?
about, yeah.
And
But when I studied about him, when I studied about his past experiences,
So only in 5 or 6 months he became a national figure.
no,
he
for
was a
youth,
figure.
for youth he became a national figure. But for other people, like those who have been participated in his movement before,
When I
also,
mean a national figure, I mean that someone who's known by
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
only in 5
in
years.
April he was not known
in
by the
4th
people outside
April-
Jantar Mantar. But now everybody knows who is Anna Hazare.
Yeah.
Even
And
a
they,
rickshaw
and they
man.
believe and they
Yeah,
believe.
they have firm belief.
On 4th April, this recent 4th April, he did his first Anshan on corruption.
Hunger
After that,
strike.
people started to know
Hunger
it. He didn't accept it that he will get that much of support on 4th of April, but he got a
What's
tremendous
the
support.
difference between him and Ramdev?
Ramdev is a person
Ramdev was going
who
for
is
the
not
same
considered
cause.
secular, and he is always seen as a person who is doing the thing for a political motive, for getting into government, for capturing power. But this guy is a clean sheet person. He never expressed that, and we hope that he will never even express that.
I believe that he is following the spirit of our constitution. We the people, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, secular, sovereignty, socialist. He is trying to get that thing
In
to
reality.
the platform level.
Yeah.
We were a mixed economy before 91, but after 91 it's only private. Where will the small people, the people
So,
of poor will go? He's fighting for those persons. He's fighting for us. I have a firm belief in him. I have totally believe in him. Definitely he will change this country. I agree.